If you're finding that it's hard to find things to be grateful for in your season of life, then you can say, God, thank you for waking me up today. Because it was not by my power that I woke up on my own this morning, but God, it was you. You could say, God, thank you for the breath in my lungs right now. The very breath that I can use to be able to sing to you, to worship you, to honor you. You could say, God, thank you for these 4 walls that we have, that we can call this church our home. Thank you for the people that are standing by my side right now, worshiping you, honoring you alongside me. God, you're so good. God, you're so